If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on eBay, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding with the reset. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the My eBay section. From there, select Account and then click on Personal Information to access your account settings. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication settings. In the Personal Information section, look for the two-step verification or two-factor authentication option. Click on it to view your current settings. Step 4. Choose to reset. You should see an option to reset or turn off two-factor authentication. Select this option and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. After resetting, you can set up two-factor authentication again if desired. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your phone number or authentication app and complete the setup process. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, allowing you to manage your eBay account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.